So you haven't held her yet?
I know this part. She shouldn't have to feel that way. She shouldn't have to feel that way. It's not her fault.
Amiga. I'm recording. I'm going to record the first time you get to hold your baby. I want him to hold her first. You want him to hold her first? Are you scared?
You'll be okay. All your sisters have kids, right?
Yeah.
You held them, right?
Yeah. She's so cute.
Okay. Oh, it's heavy.
I had a
She's a
midget
little
baby.
pale, but that's fine. Everything on her is fine. Because of the father's skin. Yeah, you're pretty light too.
No, I was lighter.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, I just got some sun.
Oh, Becca should have been heavier.
She's heavy. She looks heavy.
You want to hold her, Anthony?
Yeah.
You first? Daddy wants to hold her. Okay.
Aww.
There you go. Congratulations.
How do you go like this?
Yeah. Relax.
Too much practice, but
Relax.
still, it feels weird.
Always smart the head for the first few months. Want to take a picture of me, Anthony?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm recording. I'm going to take a picture on my phone because I'm recording.
Take a picture, alright?
Yeah.
We're so picture.
Say cheese.
Oh my god.
Oh, you guys look exactly alike.
She's gonna be such a daddy girl. Girls are always daddy.
Oh. Oh. How sweet.
Okay, always keep this near the baby. Use it when the baby has mucus in the mouth or spitting up. All you do is just squeeze it, put it in the mouth, like go, and then just squeeze it out. And then do the mouth first, and then do the nose. Okay? Yeah, you wash my camera. I'm washing the shit. Yeah, I have no camera now.
Baby girl.
She looks all pissed off.
That's just the look.
I know the look, the eyebrow look.
She looks like you, Angie.
Yeah.
Your face. Your face.
I didn't
The
see
baby's
when I
face.
worked today. I was like, tired.
I've been moving all day. I'm all nasty.
A lot of work. Thank God.
You want to hold her now, amiga? What are we gonna say?
You want to take, then send it to Nadine. Take a picture of you and her.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, you.
Like you.
I know.
She has your ears.
You look like you.
Oh no, she kind of has your ears too. Amiga, look at me.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Amiga.
You'd be the whitest baby in your family.
Viejito's pretty white. Sandra's baby. Look at me, amiga. Look at me, bitch. She's hairy. It's a monkey girl.
It's gonna come off. Anthony was saying when I started spot out there.
She looks all mean, huh?
Has Miriam come yet? That's what I thought. Look at me again, amiga. Oh, why am I recording the bed? Her lips. Oh.
Anthony looks like Anthony.
She really does look like it. What? Oh. Look at me, amiga.
You have been hurting me all this time. You're grounded.
You're grounded. Look at me. Cheese. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna send it to my mom right now. My mom was all, when I called her, I was like, Mommy, Rosalie had her baby. She's like, oh, she did.
It's like so many years I have it. What happened to?
Yeah.
Yeah, too. We were pregnant together. When I was pregnant with my son, that was the first time.
I think she was gonna have two at the time.
No twins?
Yeah, I think they were.
Oh, the triplets.
What time was she born?
8:30?
7:17.
7:17? Give me the details, woman. This is a video. Say, this is Caitlin. She was born, what is this, August 26th?
Stop looking at me like that. You look weird.
What's her first name?
¿No le quiere poner su middle name?
I don't know.
What do you like?
I like Caitlin.
What's the middle name?
Caitlin.
Rogers?
Caitlin Rogers.
But you don't have a middle
They're
name.
gonna ask you, like they asked me, is that your kid? Is that your baby? At the school.
She looks so dark, and I look so white with red hair.
Blonde hair.
She looks like she adopted me.
Baby girl.
He has a rounded head.
You have small lips. I'll shut the phone, man.
She didn't cry anything. She didn't do anything.
Girl, she's been crying the whole time she was over there. It's because she's with her mommy. She doesn't need to cry anymore.
And heavy.
Don't worry about the skin. If you don't have left anything, that's fine. I can just give her rough her up.
I want to see her hair.
She's chilling.
Oh.
Okay. His face is pushing up here. Gorda, look at this.
Little eyes.
She's on a diet. Put her on a diet, amiga.
Abre los ojos. Abre el ojo.
She's looking at me.
How sweet. Can I take a picture of the three of you? Oh, my phone has low battery. It's not gonna work. What did I do? Did I do that? Oh. I thought I broke it. I was like, oh crap, I broke it.